Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about polygon and a theorem based on it. Now, what is a polygon? If P1, P2, P3, Pn are n coplanar points, where n is more than or equal to 3 and line segments P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, P and P1 are such that number one, no two line segments with common endpoint are collinear. And number two, no two line segments intersect except at their endpoints. Then the union of line segments P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, Pn, P1 is called polygon. That is, if there are n points P1, P2, P3 in a plane, this is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, Pn. Then these line segments P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, P4, P5, P5, P6 and Pn, P1 form a polygon. And these points P1, P2, P3 and Pn, they are called vertices of the polygon. The points P1, P2, P3, Pn are called vertices of the polygon. And the line segments P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4 and Pn1. These are called sides of the polygon. And line segments P1, P2, P2, P3, P3, P4, Pn, P1 are called sides of the polygon. Now, points of a side, that is P1, P2, are called consecutive vertices. The 2 points of each side are called consecutive vertices. Consecutive vertices. For example, here P1, P2 are consecutive vertices. Similarly, P2, P3 are consecutive vertices, so on. Angle made by any 2 sides, for example, P1, P2 and P2, P3, angle made by 2 sides with common vertex is called angle of the polygon. And the vertices which are not consecutive are called non-consecutive vertices. What is the interior of the polygon? Interior of the polygon is intersection of points of angles of the polygon, called interior of the polygon. What is diagonal of polygon? Diagonal of polygon. The line segments segment joining any two non-consecutive vertices is called diagonal of the polygon. Now, polygons are of two types, convex polygon and concave polygon. What is convex polygon? Polygon is called convex if side lies at the edge of a half plane, then entire polygon remains in that half plane. For example, here this is a polygon. Now, if we draw a line here and we consider this edge, then rest of the polygon is in that half plane. So such type of polygon are called convex polygon. What is concave polygon? This type of polygon are called concave polygon. This is concave polygon. This is called concave polygon, and this is convex polygon. And there are two types of polygon, equiangular polygon and equilateral polygon. What is equiangular polygon? If all the angles of the polygon are equal, then it is called equiangular polygon. And what is equilateral polygon? Equilateral polygon if all the sides are equal. all the sides are equal, then take out equilateral polygon. Here equiangular, all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal. And what is a regular polygon? Regular polygon. The polygon which is equiangular as well as equilateral. So such type of polygon is called regular polygon. Equiangular as well as equilateral. Angular as well as equilateral. Such type of polygon is called regular polygon. Now we will discuss a theorem according to which sum of the angles of a convex polygon of n sides is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Theorem is sum of the angles of a convex polygon of n sides is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is the theorem. Now what is given here? A polygon of n sides P1, P2, P3, P4 and Pn. A polygon of n sides. Given here, given polygon P1, P2, P3, Pn of n sides. What is to be proved? To prove angle P1 plus angle P2 plus angle P3 plus angle Pn equal to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Now draw the diagonals through P1. This is P1, P3, P1, P4, P1, P5. So these are the diagonals. P1, P6, P1, P3, line segment joining non-consecutive vertices. Let's go diagonal of the polygon. So P1, P3, P1, P4, P1, P5 and P1, Pn minus 1. These are the diagonals of the polygon. By definition of diagonal. Now, if you draw diagonals through a vertex, then the polygon is divided into n minus 2 triangles. Number of triangles formed by joining all possible diagonals through vertex is equal to number of sides less than by 2. That is n minus 2. It is n minus 2 is the number of triangles formed if diagonals through a particular vertex is drawn, then polygon divided into n minus 2 triangles. Now sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, sum of the angles of the polygon will be, therefore, sum of the angles of the polygon of n sides is equal to n-2 into 180 degree. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.